Friends, my name is N.K. Mishra. I am director of Abhiyan Academy. In earlier video, I have explained you the information about the National Stock Exchange courses. Now, I will discuss one by one on the various points of financial market. Friends, uh, the financial market basic information uh, we will discuss. Thereafter, we will discuss one by one each and everything by our senior faculty Sri P.K. Bose, SBI AGM, retired, Sri A.K. Sinha, SBI AGM, retired, Sri U.K. Chaudhary, SBI Manager, retired. All are the faculties of our Abhiyan Academy. As I discussed, this Abhiyan Academy is also managing Akash Institute of Rural and Entrepreneurship Development. Uh, the Akash Institute of Rural and Entrepreneur Development was earlier the Akash Institute of Management, which was managing the management and computer courses, MBA of Sikkim Manipal University. Now this Akash Institute of Rural and Entrepreneurship Development is engaged in providing the various courses best for the career of our career of unemployed persons in agriculture, social activities, and so many others. Now, one by one, I will cover the things by means of video. In the video, we will discuss total about the investment, securities, primary market, secondary market, derivatives, depository, mutual funds, miscellaneous, and concept and mode of analysis, that is interest, annual annual report, and various aspect of balance sheet ratio analysis. This is very big course, and I request you all to see the video, and thereafter, in case of need, you can contact us on our contact number given on the first video. Friends, as I told you, in the first slide, we have mentioned the investment basics. On the investment basics, it is about the National Stock Exchange. Thereafter, we have discussed what is the investment. Now, we will discuss about the other thing, that why one should invest. Another we have covered in the PPT and in the video the chapters like inflation. What is inflation? We have discussed about the inflation and how the inflation is calculated and what will be the price of one investment in due course. Friends, again we will discuss the benefit of investment and also the care taken while investing the money. This thing definitely it may not be possible for you to go through all the slides, but one by one you can see that we have discussed about the interest rate, interest, and how interest is calculated. Thereafter, we have we have discussed in the other slides the how the different interest rate differs from one rate to other rate. This is the generally, moreover, the area we have discussed where the public generally invests. This area is generally this the area of investment is different for one one person option to others. Now, friends, uh, we observe that people prefer in financial options like savings bank account, money market, or liquid funds, fixed deposit with banks. This is not sufficient. Then we have discussed the characteristics of this savings bank, money market, and liquid funds, fixed deposit, etc. In short, we have discussed. We have discussed the nature of savings, also the money market instrument, short term instrument, like that. Sorry, very sorry. So the in money market fund return, there are the instruments like commercial paper, treasury bill, and certificate of deposit. So this is also the instrument which is being dealt in the money market. The option for long-term investment are public for the general public is public provident fund, company fixed deposit, bonds, mutual fund. Like that, they, we have we have described the future of various long-term investment. So future long-term investment means like post office savings bank. So what is the difference between the bank deposit and post office savings, and what are the benefit of the post office deposit? We have discussed in there. Again, we have discussed about the public provident fund account, PPF account. So this also you must know, so that you can counsel the things with the uh, customer. We have discussed this commerce company fixed deposit. Company fixed deposit, there are short term and medium term borrowings by the company, and this is by way of fixed deposit and bonds. Bonds bonds is a fixed income instrument, debt security sold by the central and state governments, corporates, etc. Now, friends, I will like to tell you about the stock exchange. What is the stock exchange? A stock exchange is a body or place where business of buying, selling, and dealing in securities, shares, and debentures are regulated or controlled. Again, I will like to tell you that the definition of stock exchange is that the securities, sorry, sec, 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 secur, sorry, 1 minute, kindly bear with me. Stock exchange is a body or place where business of buying, selling, or dealing in securities, shares, and debentures are regulated or controlled. Again, I am telling you the definition of stock exchange. Thus, a stock exchange is a body. No, sorry. Sorry. The this Securities Contracts Regulation Act 1956. This is the regulatory body. Regulatory body is Security and Exchange Board of India, SEBI. And now we have discussed the what is equity, what is share, what is equity share. Like that, you will find that we have covered most of all the instruments in this video. We will cover in the next video the other important thing which will be useful for you about that debt instrument and derivatives. So derivative and derivative is the new new thing. Derivative is a financial instrument which derives gets its value price from underlying assets, that is stock, bond, index, currency, commodity, and interest rate. So derivative is the very important things like that. We will cover in detail. Thanks a lot. I wish you a very good career in this sector, and hope that you will like it in your day-to-day life, and getting the knowledge also. Whether you are completing the course or not, but I hope that you will get the knowledge and move in the market, either as a facilitator or as a say as a own investing person. So thanks a lot. We will again meet in the next video. Thank you very much kindly. If you are happy, please do like it and subscribe it so that you can get the other videos also. Thank you.